Hello world, it's John Pinto, your roving realtor and home chef, and today I'm preparing a little breakfast. So let's see what we got here. We've got some of Ariella's toasted everything pumpernickel bagels. So we'll give that a whirl. I like her pumpernickel and rye bagels, which you get at the Napa Farmers Market. I've got some Philadelphia cream cheese. Now I prefer Neufchâtel. It's got 1/3 the fat, but this is what I got today, so this is what we're going to use. I also like fromage Blanc, which you can get at the Napa Farmers Market too. So, but there's what I prefer and what I got, and this is what I got. So far so good. Then we've got some Santa Rosa seafood lox. We will put them on the bagels as artistically as we can do, which may or may not be artistic. And then I have some Samantha's Collective Cultures white wine vinegar. Now, generally speaking, I prefer lemon juice, but this is what I got. So this is what I'm going to use. And then we've got a little toasted onion, and I prefer dill, but all I've got is parsley. So there you go, simple breakfast. Have a nice day.